snowstorm here. We got, I think we got right around 10 centimeters. It's real wet, real heavy stuff. It's only about 0 degrees. So pretty much every storm we've had so far this winter, like this is the 1st of February right now, and pretty much every storm's only been about 10 centimeters, 5 to 10. So, hey, at least we're getting snow. I'm not complaining. At least we're getting snow. We're working. But once in a while, it'd be nice to have one of them big old-fashioned storms when it dumps about a foot. So far, I've been running the M7060 Kubota for just over a year now with 8-foot HLA 3500 snow pusher on the front. We got the Kubota, I think it's 86-inch snowblower on the back. Yeah, like this 3500, I find it, even for a big tractor like this, the 3500 is still pretty heavy, so, but it's working. I mean, it picks it up and everything, no problem, but it's a big pusher, like getting in around tight spots, and you gotta watch out for it. I really like the blower. I know a lot of the guys are running inverted blowers. The inverted blowers are great, but in you know, my situation, I'm dealing with working around piles of wood, working around old cars, there's something different in every driveway that I'm working around. Like a lot of these guys that are running the inverted blower are working on driveways that are a kilometer long, or they're in like a cul-de-sac where it's just a short paved driveway with a garage right at the end, so you back up and drop it right at the garage. You got a nice clean finish at the garage. You bring it out to the edge of the driveway. If all my driveways were like that, I'd definitely have it inverted for sure. It's the way to go. But like I said, in my situation, every driveway is different. You know, I'm dealing with all kinds of things in a rural community. So this is the best setup. And for the most part, I try and use the pusher as much as possible. For one, you know, these blowers are hard on the neck, but the pusher's just so much faster. So unless they want the driveway blown out, I don't do it. The pusher's just so much faster and easier on the body. But overall, I got, I don't know, 321 hours on the Kubota. Haven't had a single issue with it, nothing whatsoever. Yeah, it's been a great machine for sure. Some driveways, tree limbs, that's a high tractor, so you know, I broke one of my mirrors already, one of my side mirrors, so yeah, you're dealing with stuff like that. Smaller tractor would be nice in situations like that, but then you're taking longer to do the driveway. So when I'm just a one-man show, I got a lot of driveways to do. For the overall machine, this is probably the tractor to have. Yeah, manual transmission kind of got tiresome there at the start when I first got the tractor because I was used to the John Deere. It was hydrostatic, which is nice, but you get used to the manual transmission after a while. You don't even know you're shifting gears, working the levers, you're just doing your thing. Yeah, if you're like me and you're looking to get into this business, I have a plow on the truck too. There's nothing wrong with plowing. There's nothing wrong with plowing with the truck for sure. I've done that for a while. I find if you can jump into a tractor, I just find the visibility is second to none. The tractor can take the abuse. The tractor's cheaper to run. It's better on fuel. To get the clients, I just put posters up, flyers up in all the stores in my community, and got customers that way. And word of mouth, you know, after the first year, it exploded for getting calls. Now I'm turning people down because I don't have time to do them. So, and it's not really worth me getting another tractor and putting somebody in it. It's not that big amount of extra phone calls I'm getting for driveways. So, yeah, that's about all I can say is like get a good commercial insurance. If you can, get yourself in a nice tractor. I recommend at least, you know, 35 horsepower and up. One thing I will say, if you do get into the snow removal business and you got quite a few driveways like I do, one thing I found really quick was to take a break, because I was going, rushing, you know, trying to get all these driveways done in a certain amount of time, and I wasn't taking care of myself. I'd be done at the end of the day without even drinking a bottle of water, like it was foolish. So that's one thing I'd really advise is to take a break, get out, stretch, you know, have a snack, drink some water, because if your health goes, you're done. You know, that's the number one thing you got to take care of is your own health, or you're not going to be able to do it. So. Any questions, guys? Stuff that I haven't mentioned, just leave a comment and I'll get right back to you. But it's a great business. I really enjoy it. You know, you get to meet some great people, talking to people. I wish I'd have done it years ago. I'm 45. I wish I'd have started it when I was 25. But you know how that goes. Sure, there's a lot of you out there that wish the same thing.